How to stop promotional emails on Gmail. Let's get started. Launch your Gmail. Now click on three bars given at the top left. Different options will appear. Click on the option Promotions. Once you're on this page, you're gonna find different promotional emails. Now how to get rid of it. Now head towards any of the website. From that you wanna avoid the mails. Open it, then scroll all the way down. You'll find the option of unsubscribe. Click on it. Select any of the browser. Uncheck for these options and then click on save. Now you won't be getting mail from this website. Do the same for other mails as well. Open it. Then click on the option of unsubscribe. Select the preferred browser. Uncheck for these options and then click on unsubscribe. This way you won't get any emails from these websites. So this is how you can stop promotional emails on Gmail. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.